Hello, everyone. Today we learn how to add a product or a service in Togile CRM. To get started, click on Product. Next, click on Add Product or Service. First, click on Name. Enter the name of your product or service, followed by the pricing details of the item. Once that's done, click on Category and choose from the drop-down list. Once that's done, click on Plan Duration. Then enter Plan Duration to set how long each product or service plan will last, like monthly, quarterly, or annually. This helps define billing cycles and aligns your offerings with customer expectations. After that, click on Description. Write your product description here. Once you're done, click on Save to save the new product. After that, click on Search bar. Type in the name of the product or service you want to search for. It helps you navigate and find items instantly without scrolling through the entire list. Now you can see your newly created product on the table. And that is how you add a product or a service in Togile CRM. Thank you for watching.